We have completed the profit and loss account. Now we are coming to the balance sheet. Income statement initial is done. Now we're coming to the balance sheet part. Okay, so here's a blank balance sheet initial. Will link the data from the balance sheet provided by the client. So current assets, bank accounts. Cash means all the bank accounts and the cash on hand. Total bank accounts. Then we have an inventory. Total inventory. So here we have a two inventory, this one and this miscellaneous part. So this should be plus, and we'll sum up this figures from this to from there. 315, 310. Okay, so it's great. Now we have a liability side, credit card, credit card here. So the credit cards will change the sale value to ease this process. Yes, we have a sales tax payable. It should be B63. We have a payroll payable also. Yes, it's a 618. So it should be B62, 618. Yes, that's correct. What do we have next? The long-term liabilities. Long-term liabilities here. We can add the name also here, but right now we are adding here. This is the Eagle Venture, and the other one is a William. Yes. It's a B63 sale value. Yes, correct. So B68. What next? Partners capital. Partners capital here. So B76. Great. Anything pending? No, I don't think so. So should be here. Okay. The difference is 8973 still here. I think we are missing something. Let's check what the amount 8973. Okay, it's a secured deposits. We have not entered this one. It's other current assets, security deposit. A52 amount sale should be A51. Gotcha. Yes, correct. The difference is zero now, and I think we have done with the balance sheet part. We'll come to the adjustment part. All right, let's come to the adjustment. We have a few adjustments here. We are not doing too much adjustment, just for the example, we are taking two or three adjustments. Okay, so first adjustment we have, okay, so the wages as per W2 is a 291,885, 291,885. Coming to the adjustment, we have wages here. As per 291,885, 91885. We have already booked 225, 244, 66641. Okay. Scores to match with W2. Great. What we have next? The payroll taxes, we have a 23351. Payroll taxes, here it is. 23351 less already booked 4534. Okay. To match with payroll, details. Okay, this is two adjustment 291885 as per the W2 and this 23351 to match with the payroll details. Now we have to adjust these two entries to the partner contribution. We'll pass the adjustment entry, wages 66641, taxes 4534, this debit, and credit will be partner contribution. This one and just to 71175 will credit the partner contribution. Oh, contribution is here. This is the plugin balance. It's a capital introduced. Okay, what next? Taking employer contribution first, 72971. 72971 is the pension here. Income statement. This is a 7272971. To match with clients. No, that's not. Okay, so the pension, if we debit it, 2971, and what would be the credit? The item will be credited 401 K benefits payable 72971, 401 K payable. 401 K payable. So we are taking this much adjustments. 430696. For example, we have taken only a few adjustments. We are not taking too much adjustments. Just because we have to move to the software input. We have to input the data into software and finalize the return. Coming to the what is next? Coming to the C recon, that means cash reconciliation. We can add the cash here. This is our operating revenue. This is our ending cash of previous year. Directly we can take it from the this total expense is already this is formulated, so this data is already been taken from the trial balance. Assets payable, there is no payable. This is the partners contributions already taken from the trial balance 71175. Total expenses, beginning assets. We are not taking the balances of the long-term liabilities because there is no changes in the long-term balance sheet or long-term liabilities. Mm, What we can take is the asset side from the balance sheet PBC. This is the inventory plus this inventory. Anything else? Secured deposit. Yeah, that's it. 46359. This is the beginning. We can take the ending one. We can take this directly from the trial balance, the ending one. This one and this one. Hmm. Coming to the payables, credit card, this other current liabilities, 5028, and this is the ending payable from trial balance. Mm, this one, sales tax payable, 618, payroll payable, 401k payable, and this one. Okay, what is pending now? Difference is still 29195. I have to check what is the issue. Let's check again. This is the correct one. What is the 305839? I think yes, I have changed this figure. 30539 is correct. This one is correct. 35028. B58, PBC B58, PBC B64. What is the B50? I have to select the C. This one and this one. Okay, 5832. Great. The difference is zero now. I'll explain you again. This is the ending cash balance of the last year, 345870. Operating revenue plus will deduct the total expenses. Then we'll add the assets we have generated around the year. Beginning assets contains the inventory, other assets, security deposit. Same with the ending assets. In case of the payables, it is uh, the payroll tax payable or sales tax payable and other current liabilities. Okay. Then come to the partner contribution, which is already linked with the with PB trial balance, and this is the ending cash balance 270072, which is the sum of this all and less the partner distribution. Ending cash 270072. Let's check 270072 with the trial balance 270072. Perfect. So this is match. We have done the C recon. So far, we have covered everything, and this is our final income statement and balance sheet. We have the final. So you can see the checksum is 0. That means the balance sheet is matched. Now we'll moving to the uh, income tax preparation in software. Okay, so before moving to the drag, we have missed something, that is CapEq tab. Let's complete this CapEq, capital equity. So you can see our contribution 71175. This is as per the TB and allocated income 230696. Let's enter the profit and loss percentage, so 50/50. Same for the partner 1 and 2, profit and loss, and the capital ratio also. You can see we have got the allocated net income based on the profit ratio. So our beginning capital is 124575, and this is the 50 percentage 624. Same with the partner 2, we have to alter the formula. It's the I sale. We got the same ratio here. Let's say the capital contribution. This is 71175, but this is also a 50%. We can write 0.50, or we can give the percentage here. Same with the that the sale is I37. Okay, you can see there is no variances. That means this is the match. Right. So we have completed this CapEx. Now we can go to the software and add the data.